just guessing you're bored and you're stuck at home. Well, here's the thing to do. Watch this makeup tutorial and get a lot of information about pastels. You're not going to get any information. But what you are going to get is a great video full of fun, full of information, full of insightful things. I'm trying to come up with some words, but I'm not coming up with any. Please enjoy me doing my makeup for probably only 10 minutes in the video. It took me probably 2 hours in real life. My stomach just growled, so I'm quite hungry and I'm going to go eat now. So, I hope you guys have some food to snack on during this video. Enjoy! For foundation, I am using a CC cream today, and I'm going in with my ABH Cosmetics CC cream in the shade Light, I think. And I put moisturizer on, obviously, before I started the video. I just didn't show it, and I didn't use primer because as you probably know if you've watched these tutorials before, I tend to not use primer. I don't know why, maybe I should. For concealer, I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C7, I think. I'll have it down below. Oops, I just hit my roof. Yeah, I'll have it linked down below, the exact shade. But I went in sections with this because it dries down really fast and I already have dry skin, so I did under my eyes first and then I went back in with some more and did my nose and a little bit on my forehead. For my cream contour, I just went in with this Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I took the cream contour shade in it. It's actually a really nice contour shade and it blends out like a dream, so I don't know why I haven't been using it that much lately. I kind of stick to the Barry M contour stick just because it is really handy, but it's actually a really nice contour, this one, and it's more on the like contour shade, not a bronzy shade, which I should stick to because I'm so pale. So yeah, I just went in on anywhere I wanted to kind of define, and I just blended that out with a brush and then went on top of it with my beauty blender just to make it look a little bit more seamless. To set my under eyes, I just went in with my RCMA no color powder and I just put that under my eyes. I kind of baked and then I just kind of gave up and brushed it away after, so I didn't really bake at all. Then I went in with my Rimmel Stay Matte press powder in the shade Porcelain, I'm pretty sure, but it's actually like suits my skin tone here pretty well, so I just mattified the rest of my face with that, and then I went in with my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter and put that on the tops of my cheeks and on my nose. For bronzer, I just went in with this Physicians Formula bronzer. I don't have the exact name, but again, I'll have it linked down below. and I actually, like, I'm obsessed with this bronzer. All I use are Physicians Formula bronzers. I live by them. I think they're so good. And I just put that on top of the cream contour and anywhere else that I wanted to put it. For blush, I just went in with my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, kind of putting that on top of my bronzer. I didn't really place it on the apples of my cheeks. I feel like no one really does that anymore. I just kind of sweep it upwards to kind of give me a glow. Then I just set that all in place with my Revolution Glow Fix setting spray, and I just waited for that to dry. Then taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown, I just took the spoolie end and kind of, what's the word? I like brushed my eyebrows out and I just filled them in a bit. My eyebrows are a little bit crazy, but I haven't gotten them done in such a long time. But I'm not that mad about it, and I just drew them more outward rather than down because that's kind of the trend right now, and it kind of helps lift your face. Not gonna lie, I'm living for it right now. Now for the exciting part, I went in with my ABH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette. I took one of the purple shades and the light pink shade that I showed you just there, and I mixed those two together and just took a big blending brush and I just kind of buffed that into my crease and blended it out quite a bit up to my eyebrows because I wanted it kind of blown out and just like very dramatic pastel effect. And yeah, I just blended that out until I got kind of the colour that I was looking for. Then with a flat shader brush, I just went into those same colours and I just put it on my eyelid just everywhere. I put that eyeshadow everywhere until it was completely covered in purple. Then taking those same colours, I just put it on my lower lash line. And then I just filled in my waterline with my kohl liner from Rimmel, my Scandalize, I think it's called, or Magnifies, I'm not sure which one. But yeah, I just filled in my waterline. Then taking a very deep breath, I went in with the black eyeshadow instead of a liquid eyeliner or anything, and I just marked out kind of a very thin wing to get that like cat eye, foxy eye look, and I brought that into my inner corners as well, and it was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So don't put too much pressure on yourself, you are able to do it, because I could. For mascara, I took my Paradise? That is not a word. My Lash Paradise L'Oreal mascara and my Revolution False Wispy Effect mascara. I showed you them. I'm completely getting the names wrong, but yeah, I just did my eyelashes with that because I'm running low on mascara and I'm not loving anything in particular, so I used to. falsies, I used these Flutter lashes by Pennies, and I put some individuals on there as well at the end. Then I took my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Dolce and just lined my lips with that. Then on top of that, I just went in with this lip gloss pencil from Kiko Cosmetics in the shade number 8, and I just kind of put that everywhere and blending the lip liner in. Then to finish off the look, I just went in with my Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in So Cute, and that is the finished look. So this is the final result. I actually think it came out really well. Like, I only used 2 eyeshadows, which is crazy. And it's actually really good. I would highly recommend that eyeshadow palette. I even did the winged liner with that eyeshadow palette. I did it all with that eyeshadow palette. Crazy, I know. But yeah, I really enjoyed this look quite a lot. Very happy with how it turned out. And now I get to go nowhere in this look, but that's cool. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe down below, because I'm gonna try get some more videos for you guys during this great time in our lives. And comment down below if you want to chat. I'm all up for a chat, especially right now. So, I'm here to talk. Anyway, see you guys in my next one. Bye, friends.